AccuLynx Onboarding usually isn't a simple flat fee you see up front. The real cost comes from setup time, configuration work, and whether you use guided onboarding support to get your system fully running. By the end of this, you'll understand what AccuLynx Onboarding actually includes, where hidden costs show up, and why two companies can pay completely different amounts for the same software. Start with the structure. AccuLynx is a construction management platform mainly used for roofing and exterior contractors. Onboarding is the process of building your business workflow inside the software so it matches how you actually run jobs. Now look at what onboarding includes. It usually covers account setup, workflow configuration, and system training. That means setting up job stages, customer records, estimates, production tracking, and communication tools. Even if there isn't a clearly listed onboarding fee, those services are often bundled into implementation packages or higher-tier plans depending on how you purchase the software. Next, consider data migration. If you're moving from spreadsheets or another system, your customer list, job history, and pricing templates need to be imported. The more data you have, the more time onboarding takes. Clean data speeds things up. Messy or inconsistent data slows everything down and increases setup effort. Now look at workflow customization. AccuLynx is built for roofing workflows, but every contractor still runs things differently. You may need custom job stages, production tracking steps, or approval processes. The more customization you need, the more onboarding work is required. Next, think about training. Office staff, sales reps, and production managers all use different parts of the system. Training is part of onboarding because the software only works if your team actually understands how to use it in daily operations. Now consider internal time cost. Even if onboarding is included, your team still spends time building templates, testing workflows, and adjusting processes. That downtime is a real cost because it slows down normal business activity during setup. Next, look at integrations. Many contractors connect AccuLynx with accounting tools, lead sources, or payment systems. Each integration adds setup steps and can extend onboarding time. Now understand the real situation. AccuLynx onboarding cost isn't a single fixed price. It depends on three things: whether you use guided implementation support, how complex your workflows are, and how much data migration and training your team needs. To sum it up, most onboarding costs comes from configuration complexity, migration effort, and whether you pay for structured implementation help or handle setup internally. Next step is simple. Before starting onboarding, map your full job flow from lead to completion, clean your existing data, and decide if you need hands-on implementation support or if your team can handle setup on its own. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more AccuLynx breakdowns, construction software insights, and simple explanations that make contractor tools easier to understand.